am Dr. Amardavasini, Assistant Professor in Department of Commerce, Kristu Jayanti Deemed to be University. Today, as a part of investment management course, we are going to discuss about the important investment concept titled Mutual Funds, Investing Made Easy. So in the introduction, we are going to see about a mutual fund is a simple and smart way to invest. Instead of investing alone, many investors pool their money together. This pooled money is professionally managed and invested in shares, bonds, and other securities. Mutual funds help investors reduce risk through diversification and make investing easy even for beginners. So, in the meaning of mutual funds, we are going to see a mutual funds collects money from many investors and invest it in different financial instruments such as shares, bonds, and other securities. These investments are managed by professional called fund managers, and the returns earned from these securities are shared among the investors. In India, mutual funds are regulated by SEBI, which ensures transparency and investors' protection. Mutual funds also allow systematic investment through SIPs. In simple terms, mutual fund means pooling of money, professional management, and diversified investment. So next we are going to see about how mutual funds work. First step, a mutual fund collects money from a large number of investors. Investors can invest there as lump sum or through SIPs. For example, if 100 investors invest 1000 rupees each, the total fund collected becomes 1 lakh. In the second step, this money is pooled together to form the mutual fund corpus. Each investor receives units in proportion to their investment. If an investor invests more, they get more units. The next step, how how mutual funds work, the step 3 and 4 we are going to see. The pool money is managed by the professional fund manager. The fund manager studies market condition and analyzes the securities, takes investment decisions. Investors do not directly where to invest. The fund manager invests in equity shares, bonds, government securities, and money market instruments. This diversification helps in reducing risk. And next step, mutual funds generates through income such as interest or dividends and capital appreciation also. These returns are reflected in net asset value. Returns are distributed to investors based on the number of units they hold. In India, mutual funds are regulated by SEBI, which ensures transparency and fair practices. So next, the important one, just type of mutual funds. Equity mutual funds invest mainly in shares and offer higher returns with higher risk. They aim for long-term growth and wealth creation by investing in equity shares of companies across different sectors. Debt mutual funds invest in bonds and provide stable returns. Fund invest in fixed interest securities which act as loan to entities, which is government or corporations, providing predictable interest income. Investors can choose mutual funds based on their risk appetite. Popular types include liquid funds, geld funds, corporate funds, money market funds, and dynamic bond funds. Hybrid mutual funds invest in both equity and debt. Index funds track market indices like Nifty 50. These funds invest in the same securities and in the same proportion as the underlying index, minimizing the needs for active stock selection. Money market is a type of debt mutual fund that invest in money market instruments, which are highly liquid short-term debt securities. The instruments in these funds have a maturity period of up to 1 year. Money market funds provide modest returns and are generally more stable than other type of mutual funds. The last one is equity linked savings scheme. Main purpose of this scheme is creating wealth through equity exposure and tax saving. Lock-in period of the scheme is 3 years and it offers both growth and dividend options. Investment limit is up to rupees 1.5 lakh per annum under Section 80C. So now we are going to summarize these things. So mutual funds pool money from investors and invest it in diversified securities through professional management. They generate returns through income and capital appreciation. So different types of mutual funds suit different risk levels. Mutual funds are ideal for beginner and small investor. With SIPs and SEBI regulation, mutual funds promote discipline and self-investing. Therefore, mutual funds play an important role in personal financial planning and wealth creation. Thank you for sparing your time.